Just shy of 12 pounds. So 11.72, 28 inches. That's a tarp for you, man.
Cool.
Congratulations.
I'm out here with Chad Catch Fishing and Panfish once again, but this time we're fishing for bass. We're gonna free line some shiners and hopefully catch a smallmouth.
Got one?
Yeah, but I don't know if it's a bass.
Yep, it is.
Hey.
Man. Nice.
Oh, nice.
Oh, nice.
Smallmouth.
All right.
First fish of the day.
It's a good.
That's a tank, man.
Took the hook off.
Oh, he did?
He's got it in his mouth. There he is. Later.
Oh, nice snag. Little rock so we'll pass that bridge there.
There, I got him. Oh, came off. It's probably a white bass.
We're getting action into the snags and
Bait stealers. Fish. That's, yeah.
That's got one here. Here, I'm gonna pull it around this way. You need to go behind the boat.
Realistic fishing has a fish on. I have a shiner going nuts.
He's hooked up. Is it a nice one?
Yeah, probably a catfish.
Oh, really?
I'm guessing, but I'm not sure. Yeah, it's catfish.
Kettle cat.
All right.
Let me see him.
All right.
Thing that you could easily take off.
Oh, I got one.
Oh, you got him?
Hey,
Nice. Oh, that's a nice one.
is it a bass?
That's a smallmouth. Yep. Just watch that motor, man.
Yep.
And you got 10-pound line, so you should be able to swing him in.
Yep.
Hey, that's a good one.
Come on.
I'd say probably
A pound. I'm
pound and a
gonna.
half.
I'm gonna guess a pound.
Yeah. Nice
Oh,
job.
that's too big for him.
Nice job, Billy. No doubt.
Oh, Dad.
Beautiful
Nice job.
smallmouth.
Nice.
Yeah, he may be pushing a pound.
Right.
Push on.
Well, cool.
Come here, little fella.
That's in the mouth.
Oh, not good, not good.
I can see a hook. Not bad.
I didn't think you had him.
You've got it, Ben. It might be snagged. I'm not sure.
Wow, that was a good fish on.
All right.
Yep, it's a fish. Oh,
Jumped.
Oh, nice
that's
small.
a nice smallmouth right there. I think it's about the same size as yours, Billy.
Yes, it is.
All right.
About a half pound. He's bleeding there. We're gonna go and get this guy back in the water.
There's a fine line between missing them and gut hooking them.
Yeah. I got hit a couple times. Fish on.
That was fast.
That was super. Oh, he came off.
Oh, I just
Got him. Watch you have my fish, man.
Realistic
Dude.
fishing has a fish.
I was right away, man.
Oh, nice. White bass.
All right.
Nice job. I lose mine and then you hook up.
It's pretty good.
Not a bad one, man. Nice.
There's only big ones now.
I'm telling you, man, just use them. Hey, it looks like they left that little area.
Don't go in here.
Those guys don't. Well, that was the horn, not firing.
All right.
Last one, man. Make it count. Lots of small bass.
There's a fish.
That's a nice one.
Realistic fishing hooked up with our very last shiner.
Good one, man. Does it feel pretty good?
Yeah. I'm not sure what. Catfish,
Question is,
maybe.
Is it a catfish or is it a... Hey,
He's a little tougher.
you feel like a bass? Or...
No.
Huh?
No.
Really?
Maybe it's a drum.
You never know though, man. Maybe it is.
It's a drum.
Oh.
Is it a nice one?
Yeah, probably 5 pounds.
This your first drum ever?
No,
You
no.
caught a drum before?
Old Hickory Lake has some good ones.
You want to net him, Billy?
Yeah, I know.
Right on the shiner.
I love a drum. Oh, that's a nice one.
That's bigger than 5 pounds.
Yeah,
Probably
that's-
like 10.
That's almost tarp size.
That's a nice one.
Here it comes.
You get head first. Head first.
Sweet.
Oh!
We need to
Yeah,
measure
he's
this
probably
guy.
more like 15.
Cool.
Ooh. Nice, brother. Is it the biggest drum you've ever caught?
That's probably my biggest.
Guys, this was on the last shiner. Uh-oh. Fish on.
Oh, he's got one too. Maybe it's another drum.
Grippers don't
Oh, it's a gar. Guys, I just added to the list. He could break me off though, because I mean, whoa! Holy moly! Did you see that jump? Man. All right, get this.
You want to net this one too? This gar?
Yeah.
Or will
Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa,
he
whoa.
won't bite through, will he?
Nice.
Here he is.
Oh man!
Watch out for those teeth. There we go. Got him?
All right, yeah, let's put them right next to each other.
Awesome.
Just shy of 12 pounds. So 11.72, 28 inches. That's a tarp for you, man.
Cool.
Congratulations.
I think that's my first one.
All right. 3, 2, stick it out a little further from your chest. Make it look bigger. There you go. 3, 2, 1. Nice, brother.
Yep, he's big and tired.
Man, they give up, man, really quick. They literally fight to the death. Come on. All right, here he goes.
Off to the depths.
Back to the depths.
Nice.
Now-
That thing was a tank.
I'm not a big fan of holding gar in general, but
Yeah, they
Just
bite.
hold him, grip him really hard on the front, behind the fins.
like right up here, right?
Yeah.
Yes, around his
Just
gills.
really,
There you
really
go.
hard.
You got him.
I know, but the problem is when he starts, they're super like.
They're strong.
They're wily. I grabbed one before. He cut
Those
me.
are-